Good evening, students. I have finished 2 chapters. Today I will start another new easy chapters. This is new in class 9 also. And this was mainly this. It is the first part of these chapters. The second part in class 10. So the chapter name is quadratic equation. In class 10, its application is also given. But in 9, its basic part is given. So you have to know the quadratic equation. In previous class, you learned how to solve the linear equation. Linear equation means, suppose I write here an equation ax plus b equals to 0. Suppose I write it. Then if I told find the value of x, then you can find ax equals to minus b, x equals to minus b by a. And here how many values of x you got? Now only one. Why one? Since it is linear. Why it is linear? Now here a, the coefficient of the variable x, is not 0 and the degree of this variable equals to 1. For this it is called linear, and since it is equals to 0, it is linear equation. And in this linear equation we just got the one value of the variables. But now you have to extend your knowledge to the quadratic equation, that is quadratic equation in one variable. You have to solve it and you have to know what is quadratic equation in one variable and how you will solve it. Okay, let's discuss it. See, quadratic equation means its degree will be 2. Suppose I write here ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is an algebraic expression where the variable is x and only one variable, the variable is x. Sir, you will tell, sir, a, b, c, these are constant. I write here a, b, c are constant. Okay. Then its variable is x and its highest power is 2. So the degree is 2. If the degree is 2, it is called quadratic. It is called quadratic. And here you should remind it a not equals to 0. If a equals to 0, then it will not quadratic, it will be linear. It may be b or c may be 0. B or c may be 0. B or c may be equals to 0. But in every quadratic equation, a means the coefficient of x square will not be 0. Therefore, you have to remind it. The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and where a not equals to 0, you have to mention it a not equals to 0. Okay, and here the variable is x, its highest power is 2. Therefore, these variables have two values. In a quadratic equation, the variables have two values. In linear equation, the variable have one values, but in quadratic equation, the variable have two values. Therefore, when you will solve, you should remind there will be two values and you have to write all the values of this variable. Okay. Now, we will know how to solve it. This can be solved by a factorization method. Factorization method. I just finished the factorization. In factorization method, you can solve it. There is a rule. The rule is zero product rule. The rule is zero product rule. What is zero product rule? See, suppose if I write here x plus 2 into x minus 3, this is equals to 0. The zero product rule says us that this x plus 2 may be equals to 0 separately, or x minus 3 may be equals to 0. The product of two number equals to 0. Therefore, we can say that one number may be 0, the second number may be 0, but both number or both may be 0. If I write here a b equals to 0, it may be a equals to 0 or b equals to 0 or a and b both equals to 0. Same as also by the zero rule, zero product rule, we can say that this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. Now x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 3. You got two values. So at first you have to convert the expression, the equation in this format, means in the factorization format. Then you have to find the zero product rule. With this zero product rule, you have to find the value of variables. Okay, this is very easy. Factorization means just nothing. It is just like a middle term. It is just like a middle term. You have finished now middle term. I told you should remind it. Middle term is very important in your up to class 10 exam. Up to class 10 exam, middle term is very important. Same as also again I repeat it. How to solve it? All of you see the exercise. We here only one exercise and some maths are given in one class. I thought it will be finished. Okay. The first one, 1 exercise 7 1 1. It is given that x square minus 11x plus 30 equals to 0. Now we have to do the middle term of this. Same as also here it is 30 and here no means 1. We have to do the factorize of 30. Now here it is plus sign. With the help of sum means addition, you have to match 11. Now make two number. 5 3 is 15 and 2. 15 plus 2 17. Not possible. 2 3 is 6 and 5. Yes, 6 plus 5 equals to 11. So in place of 11 we can write it x square minus 6 plus 5x plus 30 equals to 0, or x square minus 6x minus 5x plus 30 equals to 0, or x into x into x minus 6 minus 5 into x minus 6. You should divide it. I told these two will be equal. If there is a changes, you think your math is wrong. X minus 6 and x minus 5 equals to 0. Now the zero product rule. This may be equals to 0 or this may be equals to 0 or both equals to 0. Okay, very easy. Next, it directly goes to 42. It is given that 4x square plus 15 equals to 16x. 4x square plus 15 equals to 16x. Therefore, we can write 4x square minus 16x plus 15 equals to 0. That's the standard form of quadratic equation. In this side, every numbers will here, and that side equals to 0 now. For this are written here. Now do the middle term. 15 into 4, 60. Now we have to do the factorize of and make two numbers, two groups, so that their sum will be 16. Since it is positive sign is given. 2 to the 4, 5 to the 15. 4 plus 15, 19. It is not possible. Okay. 5 to the 10. 3 to the 6. 10 plus 6 how much? 16. You got 4x square minus 10 plus 6x plus 15 equals to 0. Then it is equals to 4x square minus 10x minus 6x plus 15 equals to 0, or 2x minus 5 minus 3 not 3x, 2x minus 5 equals to 0, then it is equals to 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Now initially which rule? Zero product rule. With always talking, very bad. Okay, you are good. Don't talk. Today is Moiseli's birthday, na? Okay.
Your phone's in airplane mode, so I can't help you with that at the moment.
Next, 9-2. What is there? Now, x plus 1 by x equals to 2 1 by 2. X plus 1 by x equals to 2 1 by 2. Okay, let's see. Now do the LCM. X, it is equals to x square plus 1, 5 by 2. Here nothing means 1. X in x, and the LCM of 1 and x is x. X into x, x square plus 1. Now cross multiply. 2x square plus 2 equals to 5 into x, 5x. Or 2x square minus 5x. 5 plus 5x minus 5x, then plus 2 equals to 0. Now 2 to the 4. And 4 means 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. With the help of positive, you have to sign 5. 2x square. Then you will write 4 plus 1x plus 2 equals to 0. Then 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Then common 2x common. Then it is equals to x minus. See, 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. 2x square minus 4 plus 1 x plus 2 equals to 0. 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equals to 0. And take the common 2x, then it is x minus 2 minus 1, x minus 2 is same. It will be x minus 2, 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Now from the division 2, x minus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 2. The first number you got, 2x minus 1 equals to 0, 2x equals to 1, x equals to 1 by 2. You got two values of x. Okay. Now 11-2. It is given that 1 by x plus 2 plus 1 by x equals to 3 by 4. Now it is x into LCM of x into x plus 2. These two are different, means their product will be the LCM. Then it will be x plus 2 equals to 3 by 4. 2x plus 2 by x square plus 2x equals to 3 by 4. Cross multiply. 3x square plus 6x, 8x plus 8 3x square plus 6x minus 8x minus 8, or this is equals to 6x square minus 2x minus 8. Now middle term of this, 3 into 8 24, 24 12 6 3, 8 minus 3 5, not possible. 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, 6 minus 4 equals to 2. Since it is negative sign, with the help of subtraction you have to match. Minus 6 minus 4x minus 8 equals to 0. 3x square minus 6x minus minus a plus, you should demand it, plus 4x minus 8 equals to 0, and take the common 3x, then it will be x minus 2 plus 4, it will be x minus 2 equals to 0. Same, therefore we can write Sila x minus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 2. And same as also, sorry, not only x minus 2, it is x minus 2 into 3x plus 4 equals to 0, then x minus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 2, 3x plus 4 equals to 0, 3x equals to minus 4, x equals to minus 4 by 3. You got two values. Okay. Next, 12(2). It is given that x by x plus 1 plus x plus 1 by x equals to 2 1 by 6, or do the LCM, x into x plus 1, it will be x square plus x plus 1 into x plus 1 means x plus 1 whole square. 6 to the 12, 13 by 6. Now it will be x square plus, now choose a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square by, it is x square plus x, just multiply it, 13 by 6, or 2x square plus 2x plus 1 by x square plus x equals to 13 by 6, 12x square plus 12x plus 6 equals to 13x square plus 13x, or 12x square minus 13x square plus 12x minus 13x plus 6 equals to 0. Then minus x square minus x square minus x plus 6 equals to 0. Taking the common minus, then it will be x square plus x minus 6. Since you take the common minus, then it will be opposite, it will be opposition. Now do the factorization of the 3 to the 6, 3 minus 2 equals to 1, and nothing means it is 1 na? Then we can write x square plus 3 minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. Do here the rest problems. X square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. Taking common, x into x plus 3 minus 2 x minus x plus 3 0 rules of zero product rule. Same, the two product are 0 means first product may be 0, second product may be 0 or both equals to 0. Sorry, x equals to 2. Okay, homework today. Write all of you homework. Exercise 7. Exercise 7 1 not 1 2 2 2 2 2 2 3 2 5 2 9 1 10 2 11 1 12 1. These are the homeworks. Okay, we'll do it. No more today. Bye. This is factorization complete up to class 9. In class 10 again you will see these problems and there is another formula methods. Okay, no more today. Bye.